Let's slice an avocado so that we can use it in our sandwiches or burgers the easy way. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share simple videos like this one as well as some favorite easy recipes. If that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button so you and I can cook together twice a week. So here I have a ripe avocado. I can feel that it's ready. We're gonna cross our fingers, and I have a small sharp knife that I'm simply going to use to slice the avocado in half. Then I'm gonna twist it open and pray it's great. Yes. You can do this two ways. The beginner method is to take your knife and slice the avocado all the way down to the skin. And as you can see, I'm making pretty even slices, just like that. And then I'm gonna take a spoon and get it real close to the skin all the way to the bottom. And this, like right here, is going to lift my entire avocado out. And now I have avocado slices. Now that's good enough if I've seen it, but before anybody calls me out and says I'm doing it the real way, I'm gonna take my bigger knife and remove the pit from my avocado. Take that same spoon and scoop out half of my avocado. I can place it upside down on my board. And with a small knife or a big knife, I'm just going to slice it into as thick or thin slices as you want. We take that same avocado and we place it on our platter. And just like that, our avocado slices are ready for sandwiches or burgers and more. Let me know in the comments below what method you found easiest. See you next time.